Okay, Cutie is sitting here. Hello, Cutie. I'm gonna go have to check if the moldy air conditioner is still there. Yep.
Ready?
Ow, I don't have shoes on. Ah! Okay. Oh, ow, 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 there's too many. Ow, my feet, ah! My feet. Don't have shoes on.
It's only Monday. Watch your glass right there.
Oh crap, glass.
Yeah. See it?
Yeah. How'd that get there? I think I'm gonna call this one Our Air Conditioner Has Mold Part 2. I'll probably call it, not sure what I'm gonna call it though.
Neat stuff all over his ears.
Oh, this is a sign. Pollinator works in. Ow. Okay. This poor air conditioner. It's been in use for 10 years.
Oh, look, we got the caterpillars.
Ooh, caterpillar.
I think it's the painted lady. The American painted lady here for the
I think you need to.
Centennial.
You need to start a. I think I should start making videos with the plants. About plants. Rather than just us getting rid of our moldy air conditioner and coins. Well, what is this?
Native garden. That thing there.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is, but this is purple prairie clover.
That,
It'll turn purple here in a month.
I think it's already kind of purple.
This is pearly everlasting. Look at all, see where all the leaves are like that? That means that there are caterpillars in there. The butterfly lay their eggs, and that's what they do. They make this cocoon and they eat everything. So later this month, this will look like crap, but it will all come back.